I'm a babushka twin. I'm a babushka twin. I'm a babushka twin.
I saw there. Hello, Eliam.
I'm a babushka twin. I'm a babushka twin. I'm a babushka twin.
I am a little boogie little guy.
I'm a babushka twin. Oh, this is the person.
I am a babushka chicken.
What the hell? Just go on.
Even my booty.
What's the matter? That was so babushka. That's not for babushka.
Go.
That was so babushka.
Just come.
This is the pug and these little dolls. We're going to my mom's room and we just watched the movie called Just Like Harold and let me show you something. It's so weird. Yeah, I know. It's like so weird. Picture of a human. I mean,
Shut up.
a picture of a human.
Show me.
Look at the time. It's 8:55. Look at the time. It's 8:55. Oh, I love Dad. Yes, Dad. Look at the bracelet. Okay. We're just about to wrap it up here, so. This is my leg. We're just about to wrap it up here today, so bye.
Gilga.
Adios. It's the language of the Spanish humans. Yeah.